Hi, I'm Mark Donovan from HomeEditionPlus.com, and today I'm going to show you how to remove one of these plastic wall anchors from a wall. So in order to remove the plastic wall anchor from the wall, you're going to need a screw, a utility knife, a pair of pliers, and a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm taking my utility knife and just lightly scoring around the edge of the plastic wall anchor to break the seal of any paint, to try to mitigate the amount of damage I'm going to do to the wall to pull out this plastic wall anchor. With that done, I'm now going to use my Phillips screwdriver and the screw and screw it into the plastic wall anchor about 3/4 of the way in. Now I take my pliers, grip the screw tightly, and then just pull back. And that's it. We've removed the plastic wall anchor. Now we need to patch these holes. We're going to use some joint compound to fill in these holes. Probably have to put a couple coats on and sand it, and this project will be done. So that's all there is to removing a plastic wall anchor from the wall. It doesn't look pretty coming out. You're going to need to do some work with some dry joint compound, but in the end this hole will never look like it was there. If you have other home improvement questions, make sure to visit HomeEditionPlus.com today.